ASP.NET Core. MVC is a powerful framework for building dynamic websites and web applications. It is a popular choice for developers because it is lightweight, open source, and easy to use. This framework allows developers to create websites with clean separation of concerns, making the code organized and maintainable. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, ASP.NET Core MVC provides a robust platform for bringing your web development ideas to life. In traditional web development approaches, code for different aspects of the application, such as data access, business logic, and user interface, could be intertwined. This made it difficult to understand, maintain, and update the codebase. ASP.NET Core MVC addresses these challenges by providing a structured way to separate concerns. Each component has its own responsibility, making the code more modular. The Model View Controller, MVC pattern, is at the heart of this framework. The model represents the data of the application, such as product information or customer details. The view is responsible for presenting this data to the user in a visually appealing way. The controller acts as an intermediary between the model and the view, handling user requests, processing data, and deciding which view to display. ASP.NET Core MVC's popularity stems from its ability to streamline the development process, making it easier to build and maintain complex web applications. Its modular design allows developers to work on different parts of the application simultaneously, improving development speed and efficiency. The framework also offers excellent support for testing, ensuring that applications are robust and reliable. One of the key advantages of ASP.NET Core MVC is its lightweight nature. This means that it has a small footprint, resulting in faster loading times for websites and web applications. Users appreciate responsive websites, and ASP.NET Core MVC helps developers deliver just that. Faster loading times also contribute to better search engine optimization, SEO, as search engines favor websites that provide a seamless user experience. Another significant advantage is its open source status. This means that the source code of the framework is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This openness fosters a vibrant community of developers who contribute to the framework's development, share their knowledge, and provide support to one another. Being open source also means that developers can customize the framework to meet their specific needs without any licensing costs. Testability is a crucial aspect of software development, and ASP.NET Core MVC excels in this area. The framework is designed with testability in mind, making it easy for developers to write unit tests for their code. Unit tests are automated tests that check individual components of the code in isolation to ensure they are working correctly. By writing tests alongside the code, developers can catch bugs early in the development process, reducing the likelihood of errors appearing in the final product. ASP.NET Core MVC's emphasis on testability leads to more reliable and maintainable applications. When code is well tested, developers can be more confident in making changes or adding new features, knowing that existing functionality is less likely to break. This also makes it easier for teams to collaborate on projects, as they can be assured that their code integrates seamlessly with the work of others. ASP.NET Core MVC is exceptionally well suited for building dynamic websites that respond to user interactions and data changes in real time. Unlike static websites, where content remains the same unless manually updated, dynamic websites can generate content on the fly, personalize the user experience, and adapt to different devices and screen sizes. This dynamic capability is essential for creating engaging and interactive web applications. Clean separation of concerns is a fundamental principle in software engineering that promotes maintainability, scalability, and reusability. ASP.NET Core MVC's adherence to this principle is evident in its clear separation of the model, view, and controller. By decoupling these components, developers can modify one part of the application without affecting others, making the code base easier to understand, maintain, and extend over time. Consider a scenario where you need to update the design of your website. In a traditional web application, this might require significant changes throughout the code base. However, with ASP.NET Core MVC, you can simply modify the view without affecting the model or the controller. This separation of concerns not only simplifies development, but also reduces the risk of introducing errors when making changes. Moreover, the clean architecture of ASP.NET Core MVC promotes code reusability. For example, You can easily reuse the same model in different parts of the application, or even across multiple projects. This modularity saves time and effort, allowing developers to focus on building new features instead of reinventing the wheel. In conclusion, ASP.NET Core MVC empowers developers to create dynamic, maintainable, and scalable web applications with its lightweight nature, open source status, testability, and commitment to clean architecture.